Hello, welcome to Uncle J class. If this is your first time of watching my video, please do me favor by clicking subscribe. And if you have been watching without subscribing, please subscribe so that we'll be giving you update. Anytime there's a new video, you will get the alert. So we are going to continue with sort. Today is conjugate of binomial sort. An expression is said to be a binomial sort when the term contains one or more of sort expression. What I mean is 6 minus sort 5 is a binomial sort because it's two. This expression is two. One of it is sort. You can also have a situation where the two expression is sort, whether in this form or in that form. Is means binomial, but that is not where our focus is. Our focus is going to be on the how to rationalize a binomial sort, assuming that assuming that 2 over 3 root 5 plus 4 is given to you. You know, to solve this type of, what we did in division is that we rationalize the denominator the way it is. But in this binomial sort, the denominator, before we rationalize the denominator, the sign here, the plus sign will change to negative. If it's negative, it will change to positive. So this is the difference between division of sort and the binomial sort. So you now multiply, when you rationalize it, you use the denominator to multiply both the numerator and the denominator. So you now have 3 times 3 root 5 minus 4 over 3 root 5 minus 4. And another good thing is that the denominator will actually we give you, if you have knowledge of difference of square, it makes it very easy. Because what this actually means now is the same thing as saying a square minus b square. So that it will now give you a plus b in bracket a minus b. This is what actually the denominator has shown. So this one here, a plus b, is represented here, and the a minus b is this. So this is difference of two squares. So we are going to apply the knowledge of difference of two square to solve this type of problem. So we multiply, this will be 2 times 3 root 5 minus 4 all over 3 root 5 plus 4 bracket plus 3 root 5 minus 4. So what we now here, we multiply out 2 times 3 root 5 will give you 6 root 5. 2 times minus 4 will give you minus 8 all over. Here now, we'll look for square of, now have 3 root 5. We're applying difference of 2 square minus 4 square. So we go forward to have here 6 root 5 minus 8 over 3, 3 root 5 squared. It means squared of, if you square 3, it will give you 9. If you square root 5, it will give you 5. The thing is the same thing as saying 3 root 5 times 3 root 5. Okay? Then minus 4 square, which is 16. By the time you multiply out, you now have 6 root 5 minus 8 over 3 multiplying 3 will give you 9. 5 root 5 multiplying root 5 will give you 5 minus 16, which is also equals to 6 root 5 minus 8 over 5. 9 times 5 will give you 45. 45 minus 16. And you now have 6 root 5 minus 8 over 45 minus 16. 45 minus 16 will give you 29. You take it. Can we simplify further? No, we cannot simplify further. So this becomes the answer. We are going to take another complex one, you know, so that the solving will be clearer. Taking another. So we are going to take something like number 2. 12 over root 24 minus root 6. Yes, this one, if you want to rationalize the denominator, we have agreed that when it is minus here, if you are rationalizing it, it will turn to plus. So what we now have is, we say times root 24 plus root 6 all over root 24 plus root 6. So when you multiply out, you now have 12 into root 24 plus root 6 over, we are going to collect difference of 2 square here. So 24 root 24 all square minus root 6 all square. I want to pinpoint something. Anytime you have root being squared, it means that the square will cancel the root, the figure remain. The square will cancel the root, the figure will remain. So by that expression, it means that the square cancelling the root, what will remain is 24. So the square cancelling the root, what will remain is 6. So what we're going to have is, we'll multiply 12 times 24. Okay, we'll use 12 to multiply both of these. So we now have something like this. 12 times root 24 plus 12 times root 6 over 24 minus 6. Okay? By the time we add up, so 12 times root 24 is, we are going to simplify root 24 further. In order, so we now have, if we simplify root 24, we have 12 times root 4 times 6. Root 4 times 6 plus 12 root 6. Okay? Then over 24 minus 6. 24 minus 6. So by the time we do, we now have 12 times 2 times root 6 plus 12 root 6 all over 24 minus 6 will give us 18. So when you multiply 12 times 2 is 24 times root 6. We have 24 root 6 plus 12 root 6 all over 18. So by the time you add 24 root 6 plus 12 root 6, it will give you 36 root 6 all over 18. You can cancel, you can reduce it. 18 can divide itself. 1 divide 36, 2. You are having 2 root 6 as your answer, because there's no further simplification. Thank you.